Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. As part of continuation of a tour around the Red Line train station, today I am at another train station on the Red Line, which is the Yaba Train Station, and I'll be taking you inside this train station to show you how the train station looks like. This is the second biggest train station on the Red Line. The Ikeja Train Station is the biggest and the Yaba Train Station is the second biggest. So guys, follow me inside and let's take a look at how the station looks like. Put in mind, this is the station that started construction late and a lot of work still seems to be happening inside this train station. So guys, follow me and let me take you around the train station and see how it looks for yourself and how the whole train station looks. Let's head inside and see. But before then, let's take a look at the surroundings and see how the whole area looks like. So right here now is the car park, and that is one entrance, but that is not actually the main entrance. There is another entrance just by that corner, which is the main entrance to the building. That is the main entrance right there, the main entrance to the main building. As you can see, I will take you there so you will see that place for yourself. Due to safety reasons, I won't go beyond here as works was still ongoing, but I will be showing the main entrance from another angle. Right here is the main entrance. As you can see, that is the gate there and the main entrance to the station. Let's take a walk along the ground floor. Now we are heading to the first floor to see what's happening on the first floor. As you can see, a lot of work is still actually going on inside this train station at the moment. So let's go to the first floor and see what's going on the first floor. Here we are on the first floor. You can see we are on the first floor, and you can see the elevator not yet completely fixed. Work is still ongoing on the elevator, as you can see, but the elevator will surely be here, and the stairs is just beside it, but no escalator by the side here. You can see the place there still scaffolding around, so probably won't take this place to the second floor. So let's go inside and see the spaces available. Just like what we have on the ground floor, you can see the large space available for the Yaba Train Station. So as you can see, another stairs here. So let's move to the next floor and see what's happening on the second floor of the Yaba Train Station. And now we are on the second floor, which is going to be having the turnstile as well where you'll be tapping in and tapping out. So let me just flip the camera around and show you how the second floor of the Yaba train station is actually looking. So I'm guessing all these places will be stores. You can see already demarcated, something we didn't see even at the Ikeja station, but right here the stores are being demarcated. And let's go ahead. You can see the turnstiles here. This is the turnstile. You can see turnstile not yet completely fixed. Work is still ongoing. That is the stairs and that is the escalator. Right there, I'm guessing that will be the ticketing office for the Yaba train station. So that is the pedestrian bridge that leads to the bus terminal right there. As you can see, that is the Yaba bus terminal. So let's move towards this side, and you can see work is still ongoing. You can see work is still ongoing. So the pedestrian bridge right there, and a lot of works are still ongoing, and that is the car park right there. So right here is the stairs, and right there is going to be the elevator. So you can see, but no escalator here. This is just probably for passengers heading to the bus station right here at Yaba. The car park here is also bigger, and I think that is well planned, because you can see a lot of offices, a lot of stores will be right inside this building. So as you can see, a lot of stores and shops will be right inside this building. So let's see if we can move to the platform and see how the platform looks like. So right here, as you can see, so right here is going to be the elevator, and here is the stairs, and you can see the bus station right there, the Yaba bus terminal, just right there. And right here is the stairs that leads to the platform. I'm guessing that will be platform 1. So let's head to the platform and see how the platform right here in Yaba looks like. You still see some few people working on the rail tracks. Once operation starts, nobody will be allowed to work on the rail tracks once commercial operations starts for the red line. The whole area has been cleared, just few people roaming around and making use of the rail tracks. Even the market which used to be there is no longer there again. So this is what the platform looks like. They have two platforms. I'm guessing this is platform 1 and that is platform 2. So guys, thanks for staying around to this point. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like, share, and tell me what you think about this train station in the comment section below. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.